In this lesson, you have to name the goal, choose the option that fits it, then redo the math to check. The numbers help you choose and decide from your results. Marilu fixes cars in Batangas City. Two suppliers quote the same order, 3,050 pesos and 2,950 pesos. Which quote should she choose? And is the math even right? By the end, you can choose the better option from your result, and you can prove the math behind it is right. That skill protects the shop's money and your name on the front. Now there are three steps. The first one is read the results side by side. Number two, name the goal and then pick the option that fits it. And number three, redo the math to check. Now, let's choose from the chart. Here are Marilu's totals as bars. Her goal is to spend less. Which bar fits the goal? Look now. That is Silangan Parts, the lower total, 2,950 pesos. As you can see on the figure, here is Silangan. Picking it saves 100 pesos. And the bar also shows that Silangan is less than Kanluran. Now let's redo the math. Before she orders, Marilu redoes the math. Oil is 2,300 plus filters, which is 650 pesos, is 2,950. The Coke is right. One trap is picking the lowest number when the goal wants the most. Frosty not wrong. Name the goal before you look at the numbers. Your turn. Two totals 1,520 and 1,480 pesos. Your goal is to spend less. Which one do you pick? The 1,480 pesos total. It fits the spend less goal. For our quick recap, let's have the following. The goal is what better means for this task. An option is one of the choices in front of you. A check is redoing the math yourself. And name the goal, pick the option that fits it, and redo the math to check. That is how your result lead to safe decisions. For our quick self-check, let's have question number 1. Two suppliers quote the same sack of flour at 1,970 pesos and 2,020 pesos. Your goal is to spend less. Which quote do you pick? The answer is 1,970 pesos. The goal is to spend less, so better means the lower total. And 1,970 is lower than 2,020. Next question. A tally shows Alma finished 47 practice welds and Bea finished 39. The extra materials go to whoever did the most. Who gets them? Look at the numbers 47 and 39. We want to know who did the most. So the answer is Alma with 47. The goal is the most welds, so you pick the higher count, not the lower one. Reading the goal backward is the trap to watch. And finally, for our last question, a shelf bracket must carry at least 25 kilograms. The label on the bracket says 28 kilograms. Does it meet the rule? Yes, the goal is to meet a minimum, and 28 kilograms is 3 kilograms above the 25 kilograms limit. So the bracket passes. I hope you learned something today and see you on our next lesson.